Hello, what's up, everybody? This is B-Boy Tech back with another one of the Monday Mondays episode. So, just a little bit of a recap of what happened before. So, this is episode number 9. Number 9. Wait, there we go. Wait, no. Oh, I can't do this one with the cameras. Okay, we got this one. There we go. Number 9. And again, this is going to be the season finale. Number 10 is going to be the season finale. We are talking about the future of phone farming and where I think the future of phone farming will be. And we're going to be talking about the other two types of where I think it's going to be. The first one is for the good. Sorry, I was just closing something so then that way YouTube doesn't get all picky about it, hearing it if it does. But this one's going to be for the good. The next one is going to be for the bad, obviously. So we're going to stop this season, season 1, with the bad side of phone farming, and we're going to kind of, for the episode before the season finale, we'll be talking about the good. So, a little bit backwards, I'm sure, but hey. Might as well get the for good out of the way. But let's go ahead and do a recap of kind of what happened last couple episodes of everything. So again, if we're looking at season 1, episode 1, we were talking about the intro of this series. Then we went ahead and went into episode 2 with the history of phone farming. So again, we started with the history and ending with the future. Episode 3 was passive versus non-passive versus semi-passive. What was the difference between those? Go ahead and rewatch those episodes, or if you haven't watched them yet, you can go ahead and watch them in the order or out of the order. Episode 4 is the world of automation. Episode number 5 was Types of Rewards Part 1. Episode number 6 was Type of Rewards Part 2. Episode 7 was Type of Rewards Part 3. And Episode 8 was Type of Rewards Part 4. So we had 4 episodes. It was kind of like a mini-series within this whole season that we're doing. So again, this is supposed to be kind of like my longer sort of episodes that we're doing. And then there'll be other YouTube videos, of course I do, in the meantime. But again, this kind of makes it so then our season finale, let's go ahead and get into that topic. Our season finale will be falling on Labor Day. For people that live in the United States, it would be falling on Labor Day, the 7th, September 7th. And I don't know when I'm going to be bringing it back. All I know is I will be doing a kind of a series break in between. Might be another holiday I bring it back for, or something like that. Sorry, it looks like I'm lagging here. Hopefully everything looks good for you guys. Hope all of you guys are staying safe out there. Now, let's go ahead and get more into this. We're talking about the future of phone farming for the good. So when I say for the good, I mean it's for the better of us and probably companies out there. Now, what I would say is that it could be years before phone farming gets back to the way it was. It could be centuries, it could be decades, it could be whatever. No one really knows. No one knows if it's going to be going back to the way it was. Now, the thing is, I should say that, I'm actually, I worked on websites during the whole thing. I've seen how it works. I'm actually thinking about making a website myself as well, too, and maybe with some other people as well. So, or doing websites on the side of designing websites on the side for people, so just so then that way I can make a little bit extra income. I plan on making kind of like an information website as well too for you guys. So hopefully you guys will see that come out as well too. I hope to have my own rewards someday that will be better than most of the other ones, and hopefully you guys will use it and enjoy it. So that's kind of, well, that would be one of the things that I would say for the good is, I'm finding ways of trying to get more people involved into this world, trying to get some companies that have websites to make applications. They got to go in. Sometimes some of these companies have to get out of their comfort zone and try new things. Just like all of us as human beings. We all get out of our comfort zone and try new things. Now, I'm not for sure why my thing is lagging. I don't want to stop recording just because it's lagging, but hopefully it sounds okay. I just know my webcam's lagging here and here. Okay, it might just be certain things that I do, motions that will lag. Alright, so now that we kind of got that out of the way, other things for the good of phone farming would be other companies coming up, companies coming back in different ways, maybe, companies, let's say, that are like Cocoon, that ban people, turning back around and unbanning people, or not being so ban happy. Yeah, that's always a pain too. More companies trying more things. Companies making other websites. Companies making other applications, expanding themselves. Because when they expand, they have the ability for us to make more money and for them to make more money. Sorry, I'm doing something else on the side with my other computer. Right. Oh. Here. Oh, there. There we go. And yeah, there we go. Yep. So companies trying different things. More companies coming out. More companies trying to sell what you do on the internet, or sell what you use your phone for. Stuff like that. Stuff that's passive. People like passive. I know that, but there's also semi-passive. There's also ways that you can make things in that way. But companies need to go and decide, do they want people that go and automate stuff? Or they want to try to shut that down so then that way they don't get in trouble or anything like that. They need to go ahead and let us know, but also I feel like they don't need to let us know. They can just ban people that do things that aren't right on their websites or application. It's their own thing. If I on my website, someone tried to hack into it and was doing something that I wasn't happy with, or I wasn't getting paid because they were doing that, I would probably ban them for that reason. There was a lot of things when I had when I was helping other people with websites. Some people tried to figure out a way to get into the point system and add points, and then of course we came out with a ban for that. So again, companies need to go and do that, but they need to do it correctly, or they need to go and say, because like with the Cocoon thing, they're saying, oh, because you have multiple devices. Yeah, but now they have an application and application on the phone and on the computer. So they got to make up their mind what they want people to do. And there should also be more companies that try new things. So more companies that try making browsers. Now, what I would say for the good would be, we get more passive applications and more semi-passive ones that are like, are you still watching? Maybe there's a way to automate that feature. We also need applications that do this, applications and websites that do the same. So maybe a pay to watch website where it showed advertisements and you get paid to watch those advertisements. That's what I would like to see as well too. You know, if I'm the one that's making it, so be it. But if someone else makes it, good for you guys. You know, I would love to see, I would love to test out if you guys make a website or an application, let us know. I'm sure we would love to go in and test that out. Now, for the good, it could be that we're making $100 a month or $1,000 a month. It doesn't really matter as long as it's something that is worth it in return. Now, I do see websites maybe going down the route of cryptocurrency, like that gram free that I showed you guys, but I didn't really go into topic with it because I don't know if they pay a big cash out, but I don't know if they pay, so I don't really want to talk about it that much. But would be good if they go and pay. I will be doing payment proof once I know they pay as well too. One of my friends on Facebook is actually checking that out. Thank you for that. Hopefully I hear, that it does pay and stuff like that. I'm also using it too, so then that way once I hear and I get to the points as well too, then I'll be already closer than what I would be if I wasn't doing it. So, I also gotta say, people shouldn't be afraid of trying new things with this world. So try to make money online. Try to come out with a website or an application. Try to make something. If you know how to program, you might as well try and do something like that. If you don't have the money for that, maybe you can find someone that does, and you guys go into a partnership together. Something like that, A lot of companies, that's what they do. They have a business owner. The business owner might not know how to code anything. He might have a team to code things. So, that's another thing too. But, so all for the good, I would say that we get a whole bunch of applications and websites start coming up, and they stay for a while. At least if it was like they stayed as long as Perk or as long as Swagbucks is staying for, we would be able to make a lot of money. So hopefully we get more stuff like that. So in the next episode we will be talking about the bad side of the future of phone farming. But I would like to say thank you guys for watching, and peace out.